Manufacturing's virtual trade show. With trade shows canceling and being postponed this year, we thought we'd shoot a short video of some of the equipment you would have seen at our booth at a trade show if they would not have been canceled. We're going to start with the Rocklinizer. It's a carbide application equipment. Puts down a very hard and wear-resistant surface onto wear parts. Very easy to operate. Got a rotating applicator. Some of the applications for the Rocklinizer include punching and stamping. You get in slug pull problems, you can put some carbide down inside the die button and it'll retain the slug and keep it from pulling back out. You can also coat on the punch to reduce galling and also to increase life and reduce wear on the punch. Another good application is clamp blocks and tube bending dies. You can put a coat of carbide or our other rock hard material down inside the die channel. That'll give you a higher grip and keep the tube from slipping in the bending process. And another good application for the Rocklinizer is clamps. Besides clamps is collets and chucks. You can put a coating of carbide down inside on the collet. That will increase life of the collet and will help the part to not slip during turning processes. These are a few of the good applications, as well as die casting for gate wear and soldering and heat checking on die casting dies. Rocklinizer does a very good job on all these different applications. The piece of equipment we have here is the MoldMender micro welder. It is used on plastic injection molds and vinyl extrusion dies. It's a very low heat resistance welder, very simple to operate as well. You just put the repair material down on the area that needs to be fixed, put the electrode on it and then press the foot switch, roll the electrode across the ribbon and it welds it down. And that is a fully hardened weld, ready to be finished off. You can EDM it, grind it, sand it, stone it back down to the smooth surface you need. We also have wire material in 10 and 20 thousandths diameter for scratches. This works real good on parting lines as well as scratches, nicks, and dents on ferrous material only. We do also have another welder that will work on non-ferrous material called the LaserEvo. So if you have aluminum molds or beryllium copper molds and inserts, we can provide a welder for that as well. The next one over here, we have portable dot pane marking systems. These are battery operated, 100% self-contained. You've got the keypad right on it. You've got 18-volt batteries. You simply can type in a serial number, or part number, job number. Easily change the parameters. You can increase the character height. You can increase or decrease the impact force. And there's a couple fonts to choose from. Simply set up your parameters. You have a preview screen so you can see where it's going to mark within the marking window. Simply put it down on your piece, pull the trigger, and you have a very fast, efficient way of marking your parts or equipment. Also, the FlyMarker has an optional barcode scanner that you can get with it. Instead of typing in onto the FlyMarker, if you already generate barcodes, you can simply take the FlyMarker Mini with the integrated barcode scanner, scan the barcode, put the FlyMarker on the area where you want to mark, hold and mark whatever the barcode had, if it was the same thing, serial number, part number, job number. So very simple to operate, very lightweight. The larger 120 by 45 FlyMarker Mini weighs about 6 pounds. The smaller 65 by 30 weighs about 5 pounds. So very easy to maneuver and carry around the shop. We also have a tabletop marking system based on the FlyMarker Mini platform called the Mini Station. It's very good for use on identification tags, small parts that you need to mark, and things like that. The LaserEvo tabletop fiber laser marking system. It's highly durable and fairly compact, so you can put it on a tabletop and mark small parts and fairly large parts as well. And it works real good for doing certain tags as well. And there'll be a short video to follow to show you the operation of that as well.